Morning guys, happy Sunday everyone. I'm Marlene Mix Vlog, OFW dito sa Malaysia. Tara na guys, gagala tayo.
I never thought that we would make it this far. We were just vibing, now look at where we are. Got so much potential, we got something so special. Like where this is going.
Birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, blow, 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 blow.
With arrival at platform 2.
Paghapon, marami yan. Uwian. Hindi makuha eh. Up. No. Not side. Stand. Yeah, like that. Oh, tapos magganyan ka na. May magsasaman ka. Eh. Teka. Dito ka, te. Tapos na eh. May isa pa. Nananaman tayo na to. Ayan, kainin niyo yan. Kanta na kayo. Happy. Ay, dasal ka muna. Dasal ka muna. Dasal ka muna. Mamaya yan. Tutumba. Ate, dasal ka muna. Mamaya yan. Ha? Dasal na ako kayo na. Dito, sa pagkain na binigyan natin. Dito sa binigyan natin. Hindi na pigilan.
Kain na. Huwag kayong kumain. Hanggat walang sarili, kain na. Sino itong kape?
Ako ka natin.
Uy! Oh!
Hindi nakuha.
Thank you very much sa inyo lahat. Okay, always.
Bakit ba?